masyado matamis po, kuya.
Regular flavor lang po.
Opo.
Kaya lang umawak ng store pag kailangan.
Right now we're here in Mines View Park. It's very safe. You have to log in your name at the entrance and then pay 10 pesos per person. And then, oh yes, and they also implement the COVID protocols. Wear your mask, wear your face shield, and of course, stay a safe distance from everybody. So upon entering, there's a walkway with railings and cement, and then you're gonna see stores that sell plants. I'm gonna show you. I haven't been here since college, so I think a lot of places have changed. There's no the dog. Oh, there's the dog. I'm gonna show you. And then there's also horses. They also have this part where you can dress up as an igorot or a bonto or any kind of natives. There's the dog, a Saint Bernard.
Maximum 2 shots. 2 pulls. Kahit maraming shots yun. Pag group po kayo, 100.
Dumbo! Ilang taon na po siya?
Magpo 4 years sa December po.
4 years. Di ba ito yung dream kong dog? Mama.
Tuta.
Ay, nakasalamin pa. Nakasalamin pa.
Smile.
Dumbo! 4 years old pa lang, mama. Oh.
Anong kinakain niya?
Dog food, karne.
Mga hanggang anong years siya sila na
Buhay nila po. 12 to 13 po.
Tapos ito nang kalaki nila.
Opo.
Hindi wood, may ano siya, may... Ito.
Ito na lang next dog natin. Pag namatay na yung lahat ng aso natin.
Ay, marami kayong aso.
Hi, Dumbo! So I went and took a picture with the Saint Bernard. His name is Dumbo. And it's so cute, so adorable. And I think we're going down to the view deck. So this is the view why every tourist and every local is coming here. I think it's called Mines View Observatory Park. This is the reason why. Bakit nga siya tawag Mines View?
Kasi nga yun, nandyan yung mga Felix mines, Atok mines, mga ganun. At i-view mo lang yung...
Pero itong place na to, hindi siya mine.
Hindi. Viewing lang ng mines.
Okay.
Hindi kaya ni mama ito. Hindi ako na lang.
Madaling bumaba. Ay, madaling
Ano?
umakyat.
Madali pa yan. Kaya pa yan. Yan oo.
Ay, habang umakyat.
Oo. Oo. Oo.
Ayun, yun ang laman ng Mines View Park. You can just view the mines, which my dad said is why it's named Mines View Observatory Park. Dun sa observatory, you will be able to see the mines. There are also stalls that sells plants and other pasalubongs, and then there's horses that you can take pictures. There's a stall that you can wear native dresses and take pictures, and also there's also Dumbo, the Saint Bernard, that you can take pictures of, worth only 50 pesos. So that's it. That's Mines View Park.
3 hours later.
Mushroom and eggs. What's this? Prawn salad, right? Beef stroganoff. Then the grilled Norwegian salmon. And
sinigang salmon with rice.
Creamy.
Ano fruits siya? Anong fruits?
Sliced
Strawberries.
anong tawag nitong almonds, sliced almonds, banana, strawberry,
Yun lang?
mm.
And ice cream.
Strawberry, banana, sweetened banana.
More chocolate. Here's a few famous spots in Baguio where you can have really good Instagrammable photos. Number 1 is Camp Janhay. Camp Janhay is full of pine trees. Find a good spot where the only background is pine trees and forest around you, and ta-da! Number 2 is in front of the mansion. Not in front of the gate, but way behind the water canal. My original plan is to have a photo with me standing in the water, but there's a security guard that keeps looking at our direction. But what we got is still beautiful. Number 3 is the Diplomat Hotel. You won't go wrong with this place as every corner is very Instagrammable. It's an old haunted hotel that is still very, very beautiful. Most locals even come here to have a photo shoot. And if you're lucky, you'll get an extra someone beside you in one of your photos. Sadly, nothing appeared on mine. Hi! So I'm at the Diplomat Hotel. It's very famous. It's located sa Dominican Hill ato dito sa Baguio. And it's a great place to take IG pics. The entrance fee per person is 10 pesos, and then the parking fee is 35 pesos. So it's very, very affordable. This is a very, very old hotel, and it's called Diplomat Hotel kasi dati ginagamit siya for diplomats, and meron siyang old glory. So yeah, you can see the outside. Napakaganda, and architecture is talagang pinakamaganda nung time niya. So yeah, if you're here in Baguio City, try to visit Diplomat Hotel and you'll never go wrong for IG pics. It's really very great if you're looking for a place to take your IG shots or just take pictures here in Baguio City.
Later that same evening.
asukal. Sabihin mo kung anong lasa.
It's like bukayo. Very much like bukayo.
Finally, I'm back at the Airbnb, our Airbnb. This is the best Airbnb that we have rented here in Baguio City. I'm gonna link it above here where we rent it and where you can find it in Airbnb. It's been a tiring day for all of us. Going around Baguio, we've been to Mines View, we went around to take IG pics, and then we went to dinner at the most authentic Greek restaurant here in Baguio City. Aside from reviewing the top 5 cafes here in Baguio City, if you want to watch my vlog, I'm gonna also link it above here or here, I don't know, basta above there. And this is going to be my last vlog here in Baguio City. Stay tuned for my next travel vlog kung saan yung place and location nun. You're gonna be surprised. That's it. I'm gonna end this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button below and comment below if you've been to Baguio City or if you have some IG pics from Baguio City where I've taken mine, and if you've tried Lemon and Olives restaurant here in Baguio City. So I think that's it. See you in my next travel vlog. Bye!